As soon as you add any online component to your game where people can share text, you run the risk of allowing people to share swear words. Luckily, implementing a profanity filter doesn't take much time. By the way, for the purposes of this video, Apple is going to be a swear word we'll want to remove. So you might think that the solution is straightforward. Just search any input text for the letters APPLE and then replace them with asterisks. However, what if a user types the word grapple? That should be acceptable, but our simple solution would censor it. In the end, there's a limit to what is practical for you to worry about. Malicious users will always try to type things like Apple or APP1E. The solution this video demos will not catch these edge cases, but it's so easy to implement that it's a good place to start. Luckily for GameMaker users, Yotus Studios has made a profanity filter for the engine called Bunny. Bunny was released under the MIT license, which means you can use it however you want. To download it, go to the link in the description and click on the .yympс file to download it. Next, open your GameMaker project and click Tools, then Import Local Package, and select the file you just downloaded. Select Add All and Import. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to create a room called rmGame and an object called objTest. Then I'll place the object inside that room. Inside the create event of objTest, just call the function bunnyInit. Then, inside the draw event, we're going to draw whatever we're typing on screen. Start by writing drawText6464 keyboard string. The variable keyboard string holds whatever you've typed and responds correctly to the backspace key being pressed. If you run the game at this point and type something, you can see it being displayed correctly on screen. Now add a check for the F1 key being pressed. Inside this if statement, write showDebugMessage. This function prints a message to the output log at the bottom of the screen, which is useful for testing purposes. The message is going to be the result of the function bunnyCheck, which checks whether the string contains a profanity. The string we're checking is keyboard string, and showDebugMessage is going to print a 0 if the message is clean, or a 1 if the message is dirty. Now we're going to print another message, which is going to be the result of the function bunnyClean. This takes our string and returns a censored version by replacing any profanities with asterisks. Run the game now and type in a clean phrase. Then press F1 and you'll see a 0 appear in the output log as well as the phrase with no censorship. Now type a dirty phrase and you'll see a 1 appear as well as the sanitized version of that phrase. The dictionary of swear words included only covers English, but you could use any list of swear words in any language that you can find. Just take that list and open base64encode.org and paste it, then click Encode. The reason we encode the list is so that no automated systems will scan our game and detect huge amounts of profanities. Next, open the .dlc file in the Data Files filter folder in your GameMaker project and paste the encoded list. Now, Bunny will start to only check for the words on the new list. I hope you found this quick explanation useful. If you think this looks like a good solution to you, all of the relevant links are down below. Also, if you want to learn more about detecting profanities, Tom Scott has an entertaining video about the Scunthorpe problem. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.